Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of my new watercolor pencils by Brustro. This is called Artist Watercolor Pencils and this is a set of 72 shades. So this is a new pack and I am just opening it in front of you. I am very excited to see all the shades inside this because first time I have purchased 72 huge number of shades into color pencils, and these are watercolor pencils, so I am very much excited to use this. And this is a sturdy box made with the metal. I'm just loving the packaging very much. This is quite hard, and now I'm quickly just opening it and seeing it what is inside the box. So you will get the protection film on top, and due to the transaction courier or the pencil got merged little bit, so quickly I'm just arranging all the pencils from my first slot and then I will show you the color palette. So this is my first 24 shades of colors and these are very vibrant. I'm just loving this palette very much. Now you just need to hold it like this to see the second palette, and tada, these are my next set of 24 color shades. These are looking so good, and now I am just seeing my third shades of 24 colors. So almost all basic colors and some secondary colors have been covered into this set. And now I'm going to show you the swatches of each color palette. So here I have created one swatch card on the 200 GSM Brustro watercolor paper. For my first set I have divided this in 24 equal parts, and on each part I have added the name of color and the number. BR59 means Brustro and number of the shade. So in the same way I have added all the color names, and one by one I will show you the pencil color look and the look after applying the water with the same color. So my first color is caramel. These pencils are hexagonal in shape, so you can hold it properly. This is having very nice grip. And the color name is also written on the pencil itself, that is caramel BR59. I'm feeling very smooth while applying it on surface. Since this is a watercolor paper, so you will see little granule kind of coloring here, but if you take smooth color paper, then you will see the smooth color effect. Now in the bottom triangle I am going to apply a water, and can you see the difference between normal pencil and the water applied color? This is much darker in the shade and the color mixes very nicely with the water. Now the next shade is hazelnut. Quickly I am applying and filling my box with the color. Right now both the shades are looking same, but after drying you can see the difference. Then third shade is mahogany. If you want a darker shade, you need to apply more pressure on the paper. Then next shade is cinnamon. Vermilion. Scarlet. See how beautifully the color is getting merged with the water. No one can recognize that this is a pencil color. In the same way I have added the swatches of all the shades. So next shade is pink ammonite. Then we have French rose, Then this is a baby pink. So quickly I am showing you the color effect after applying the water for all the shades. This is a dawn. Then we have golden yellow. Then lemon. Then sapphire yellow. Lime. Pear. Bud green. Forest green. Verdian. Midnight blue. Ultramarine. Grape. Amethyst. Persian blue. Black. So this is all about the first 24 shades of palette. Now I am going ahead for the next shade of palette. So first shade of the next palette is dark chocolate. Yum, I just love the chocolate in any way. Then we have cedar. Walnut. Raspberry. The color are very tempting. Crimson. Paprika. Coral. Beige. Peach puff. Canary. Mango. Ivory. Turquoise. Azure blue. Sky blue. Parakeet. Emerald. Sap green. Teal. Indigo. Lilac. Lavender. Violet. And mauve. So this is about the second palette. Then I'm moving ahead with the last palette. So first shade is Espresso. Then Stone Grey. There are so many colors and shades of grey. Then Warm Grey. Neutral Grey. Toner Grey. Fuchsia. Orchid. carnation pink, sand, yellow ochre, mustard, orange, carrot, white, olive, grass green, mint green, aqua green, ocean blue, fern, peanut, seaweed, jade, and last but not the least, charcoal. So this is all about the swatches of all 72 shades. Now quickly we will make small gift cards using these colors. So these all three are my swatches, and can you see the beautiful color palette here? These are looking very vibrant, and with the help of this you can create many things. So to create my first gift card I am using three shades, that is turquoise, sky blue and ocean blue. So I have already taken these three blue shades from the palette. I am taking one small piece of ivory sheet here, and then I am applying these pencil colors diagonally on the base in the lighter to darker shade. Then apply water on this and just merge all three shades together. You can start from top to bottom or bottom to top, but I will go with light shade to darker shade, that is top to bottom. Allow it to dry for some time. Then I'm going to add beautiful cute abstract floral design here. And this is done. Now I'm starting with the next gift card. For this I am taking baby pink, scarlet and mahogany. Again repeating the same procedure. Then adding one small leaf design here. like this. And I have added 2 thread and sentiment on these cute tags. So that is for today. We have unboxed the pencil colors, and you can just put your swatches inside the box to keep it safe. In upcoming videos, I will surely try to make the beautiful project using these watercolor pencils, and I will show you the detailed procedure. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.